I wonder what is taking them so long. Our flight leaves in 2 hours. Good morning. Are you ready? No. Why not? Do you know our flight leaves in 2 hours? I will hate it if we miss our honeymoon. Just because someone wasn't ready. I told you last night to have your things ready, but no. You want to watch anime instead. I should have hit you for not listening to me. What? I know. Watch my temper. I'm trying, okay? Do you at least remember where we are going? No, love. To Disney World. I always wanted to go there. Right? I can't wait. We are staying at the Wilderness Lodge. If I remember correctly, I think I booked us the 2-bedroom suite. Why did I reserve that? Well, it is just for safety measures, of course. And if we ever get tired of seeing each other. It can also give me space to get my temper under control. Here what? You got me a present? That is so sweet. A coloring book with colored pencils? Why did you gift me a coloring book? So it can help me calm down while we're on vacation? Okay, whatever. I can't wait to have some fun. Oh, I guess that's our ride. Save the kissing for later. Okay, Daphne. You're in charge while I'm out. We'll see you when we get back. Wait, what? You want me to call and check in every day? But it's our honeymoon. Wow. Just for safety measures? To make sure I don't go back to my past self. Fine. Okay. Well, everyone, please take care of each other. We will see you within a week. So, what is the one thing you want to do on our honeymoon? Okay, I guess we can do that. The one thing I want to do, to ride Space Mountain. I never ride a ride before, let alone left the woods. So, everything will be new for me. I am kind of nervous, to be honest. Oh! Hey, look! We are here. Thank you for the ride, Jake. Oh my gosh. So many people. I'm glad I got us the VIP service. How was I able to get us the VIP service? Hey, Hey, wait, that's our flight number. Hurry, come on. Yeah, I got us first class. We deserve nothing but the best. Please stop asking me about the VIP. Just be happy you can experience this. Wait. We are taking off already? Um, no. I, I, yes, I'm scared. No, it's kind of late to say this, but I'm scared of heights. You want my hand? Why? Okay. Oh no. No. We're getting far away from the ground. Please, no goddess, please. Let us get to the destination safely. Open my eyes? No. No. Just let me know when we are down, okay? How long you said the flight was? 5 hours? Oh, no. Hey, can you reach in my purse and hand me the blue bottle? And the water bottle right next to it? Thank you. I took some sleeping medication so I could sleep the trip away. Good night, love. Baby, the plane ride is over? Okay. Wait, did you just say the plane ride is over? OMG! We made it. Sweet ground. I'll never leave you again. So, let's go check in. Hello, ma'am. My name is Midnight. I booked the 2-bedroom suite? Yes. Our room is 610? Okay, thank you. Looks like we need to take the elevator. What number do I need to push? 6? Oh, okay. Why, I'm not scared. Well, no windows. And plus, I'm on ground level. That is 602, 604, 606, 608, and 610. We are here. Look at it. So much space. The kitchen. I love it. Gray and black. My favorite colors. Hey, come here. We have to see the bedroom. A heart-shaped bed? I didn't even know they made stuff like this. We even have a large window that is way off the ground. Don't get too close to the window. If you fall through it, I'll be stuck in this room forever. Which is 7 stories off the ground. I'm feeling sick. I need to take a seat. Now you're gonna make fun of me, aren't you? Yeah, saying something like, the big bad wolf is afraid of a little height. Or maybe, the big bad wolf is chicken to look down. Well, what are you afraid of then? And you better not say me. I pushed you out that window, which is 7 stories high. uh, what was that? Oh, my phone. Hello? What do you want, Daphne? No, my temper is fine. Oh, they are fine. We were just talking about adult things. Yeah, we are good. Right, puppy? See, even they agree. Okay. Bye. She will never give me a break. What is it, puppy? We have a pool on a balcony? I would love to take a swim. Oh. But you said it was on a balcony. Hey! Let go of my wrist. I knew you were going to throw me over. I knew it. Then why are you pulling me closer to my doom? You're not? Then... Okay. Okay, the pool. So pretty. And blue. Yes, I'm Bear. Are you going to join me? Well, yeah. I am a girl. Why are you asking me all these questions? You're acting like you never seen me like this before. Aww. What's wrong, puppy? You're blushing? Aww. I'll stop mocking you once you join me. I'm glad you joined me. Now, let's make this trip memorable